260, twin tube, a V6.
No pussy test, not even a vagina. Plain engine and I'll be my feet pilot. BBL kit that tick like Tyler. Just drop a whip, tell it roll and pipe that. 7.6 story.
Hey YouTube, Wagwan, welcome back to the channel. So right now, me and the boys, we going to a car meet real quick. But make sure y'all hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. And finally now guys, I'm finally start making some boost. Yeah man, so we just pull up to the meet. We got a couple of them over there revving and shit. I think that's a Mustang. Over there revving up the TL, man. Alright, here we got the full boat on 330 F30. If y'all remember this one, when we installed the intakes and the charge pipe, make sure y'all go ahead and watch that video, man. And if y'all reach this far into the video, make sure y'all hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Got some fresh paint on it too. Just got it back from the shop. Everything looking brand new. Let me know down in the comment section if y'all like the new look, man. Like the bird, yeah. Oh, you're the warm up. You the body, right? Yeah. Okay. Smell it. You know them cars take longer to warm up. Yeah, bro. Sound good, not true? Sound good, bro. Kita agak pa uap dong. Yeah, Q60. Yeah. No, bro. What is S3 or RS3? S4. Nice, nice. You got the upgraded downpipe and shit. Hybrid turbo.
Hybrid turbo. What? Spool injectors. Fucking.
So.
Low pressure.
Yeah.
Charge pipe, intercooler intake, and fucking. It's on E60 right now too.
Nice, nice. Look like you got the fuel it flex fuel kit.
Yeah.
See?
yeah.
I used to have a Q50.
You used to have a Q50?
Yeah, bro. Everything done, bro. Pure stage 2, everything, bro.
Crazy, bro. My boy had a Q60. His shit moves, dog. No cap. His shit moves. But I just.
Oh yeah, full exhaust. How warm them? Oh, have like turn down, basically. Yeah, turn down. This is a S4 with a upgraded turbo. Shit sounds good, man. If y'all reach this far into the video, make sure y'all hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Man, y'all could hear the turbo spools way louder. Damn, this shit sounds sweet. But I need some gas, guys. Damn, that shit sounds good. Damn, that DIY T51 Armad, that shit really works, guys. Got my boy right there in the 330. Right now I'm off to go to the gas station. I need some gas right now. I need some E, man. I'm gonna turn off right here. Alright, so I just pulled up to the gas station real quick. About to go get some E85. This bitch thirsty, man. Oh, them damn gas price need to go down. Alright guys, so that's gonna be the end of the video. Make sure y'all hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and peace. I'll catch y'all in the next one.